What if the sun just vanished? Not exploded. Not faded. Just disappeared. For the first 8 minutes and 20 seconds, we wouldn't even know. Because that's how long sunlight takes to reach Earth. The illusion of normalcy would mask the beginning of the end. But once the light stopped coming, once those last rays faded, the cascade of cosmic consequences would be unstoppable. In this video, we'll track what happens, second by second, minute by minute, if the sun were to vanish without warning. Because light and gravity travel at the same speed, Earth would continue orbiting in empty space for 8 minutes and 20 seconds. During that time, the sky would look exactly the same. No panic. No warning. Sunlight would still touch your skin. But that sunlight would be a ghost, already severed at the source. Those 8 minutes would be our last taste of warmth, gravity, and life as we know it. At 8 minutes and 20 seconds after the sun disappears, the light just stops. In an instant, the daytime sky turns black. The stars, normally hidden by the sun's glare, now pierce through the darkness, even at noon. And just as suddenly, gravity gives out. The Earth, no longer tethered by the sun's pull, begins drifting in a straight line into deep space. The solar system is no longer a system. It's chaos. Within the first hour, surface temperatures begin to drop. Plants, deprived of sunlight, cease photosynthesis immediately. Nightside regions barely notice at first, but for the daylit side, the psychological shock is immense. The Earth begins radiating heat into space, but receives none in return. In just 1 week, global average temperatures drop below freezing. In a year, they plunge to -73 degrees Celsius. Without sunlight, the entire food chain collapses. Plants die, cutting off the base of the ecosystem. Herbivores starve, then carnivores. Humans rely on artificial light and stored food, but that can only last so long. Within months, the oceans begin to freeze over, first the surface, then deeper layers. Only geothermal vents and artificial heat sources provide refuge. Humanity's best chance lies beneath the surface. Subterranean bunkers, powered by nuclear reactors or geothermal energy, become sanctuaries. Crops are grown under LED lights. Water is recycled meticulously. But even in the best-case scenarios, resources are finite. Mental health deteriorates without sunlight. Civilization becomes a fragile thread of underground embers. With the sun's gravity gone, every planet is cast adrift. Some collide, others spiral into deep space. Moons are torn from orbit. The asteroid belt scatters. Jupiter and Saturn might become rogue planets, drifting endlessly, perhaps even capturing moons of their own. The orderly solar ballet becomes a wild cosmic stampede. If the sun truly disappeared without an explosion or collapse, it might signal a violation of known physics. Conservation of mass and energy would be broken. Did it fall into another dimension? Was it harvested by an advanced civilization? Or did reality itself glitch? The event would echo across the galaxy, drawing attention, perhaps, from beings far beyond our understanding. Over years, Earth becomes a frozen world. The atmosphere condenses and falls as snow. Only pockets of heat from the core remain. Yet, life finds a way. Extremophiles near hydrothermal vents continue. Maybe, thousands of years from now, new intelligent life could evolve in the darkness, or humanity might adapt and rise again. The sun cannot just disappear. It's bound by physical laws. But over billions of years, it will exhaust its fuel, swell into a red giant, then collapse into a white dwarf. Its light will fade, but not suddenly. However, theoretical scenarios like vacuum decay, alien intervention, or simulation shutdowns do pose exotic versions of a sudden solar end. They're speculative, but not impossible. The sun is more than a star. It's the reason we exist. Its warmth, gravity, and light are woven into every second of our lives. We rise and sleep by it. We eat from the energy it sends across space. Without it, we're dust in the void. So next time you feel the sun on your skin, remember, you're feeling the heartbeat of the universe.